Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to change your background color on TradingView. So basically when you have your charts open, if you wish for example to change a color to something more presentable, something more easy on the eyes, you can do it easily. Just follow my steps. So we go to products and let us actually get to the super charts. And now as you can see, this is our charts panel. And in here, in order to begin, you just pretty much right click anywhere on any place on the chart, like this, and then you go to the settings. Then you can change, as you can see, different colors, but the one we're looking for is canvas. So canvas is this place pretty much where we have the charts and stuff, and next to the solid color or just gradient, you can choose this little button. As you can see, it's white because my background color is white. I can, for example, click on it and set it to gray. As you can see, it's now changed, or to completely black, pitch black. So just like you wish. You can, customize it in any way. Then, say for example, black, you press OK, and now as you can see, your chart panel is changed, has this different color now. Pretty easy guys, only a few clicks. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe.